Hello everyone, this is Bernice here at the Napping Mouse, and in today's video this is going to be a flip through. I just recently created this, and this will be for sale in my on my website. This is actually what do you call it, almost like a traveler's journal album. Yeah, and I'll show you how I did this here too. This paper I do not sell at the store. I actually found this paper at Michael's, and I believe it's a recollection brand, but I didn't keep everything. I actually gave it to the rest of the paper that I didn't use to my niece because she also loves to do scrapbooking. But I just love the paper. I just thought it was just really, really beautiful. The colors was just nice and vibrant and just happy and sweet, and you know, I'm thinking vacation, summertime. So I decided to create this. These flowers over here also was from my stash, and I'd added these stamens here to that. I glued that down, and I just used twine and some felt. This is a felt leaf that I have, and this is more of like a fabric, but yeah, I added some dimensionals here just to kind of make it pop up, and then created this little sunset background. So let's take a look inside. Okay, so over here there is a pocket, and I created like a little booklet, and this is from my scrap paper that I have. I have a hard time throwing paper away, so I created a little booklet here and put it in the pocket. This one over here is actually a page marker, so kind of like a bookmark, but this one here I added the magnets. So if you wanted to stop at one page when you're reading, or just kind of have it put it in through any of the other pages to spruce them up, that's there for you. And then this would be the first page. There is a total of, let me see, I put four books. So, and these books do come out. Okay, so I did do it like a traveler's notebook. I made the book itself and the album itself. So yeah, you will get 4 of these, and they are all removable. Okay, all right, so I'll show you this here. That would be the first page, and I added this, and if you wanted to stick anything in, like a photo underneath it or something, you can. This is also a good place to write and put more photos over here. Then also you can add something. I added like a pocket here, but I kind of put the pocket all the way up, and then also this becomes a pocket too. Let me put this back. And that was that. Yeah, I thought that was a cool page. And then you can just see I just played with the paper. It was not double-sided, so that's why you'll see some white and also some of the image and things like that. So yeah, I've added that. When I do the books here, the signatures, I do sew them. So yeah, they are all hand sewn together. And instead of me snipping them smaller, I actually like to put create little tags out of them. Here's another tag for you in a pocket. This one right here is also like a page marker too, where you can leave it down here or leave it up front or at the top, so it could be decorated. And yeah, both sides. I've only put the flower on one side here. Okay, and then yeah, the same. Here's a little booklet that I've attached here. You can put some journals, put some ephemeras, you know, things that you collected on a vacation or something. Another tag. Here's some more, what do you call it? If you wanted to add, I think this is a 4x6. If you wanted to add a photo here, you can do that and then add that on top of it. I'll make it look really good. And here's some more pockets. Okay, that's that for that book. And then I've got this one. This one I created a waterfall over here. There's nothing in the back. This was meant for writing, but each of this you can put like photos and then explain what the photo is or who's in the photo. And then also I created a belly band here where you've got more of the matting for your photos. And let's see, this is still the same book. Okay, look, more matting there, another one. Here I have I actually used to have this bird. It was a sulfur-crested cockatoo, and his name was Alex. He was a really fun but loud bird. Okay, and then I've added some more of the little tags here. And here's a secret pocket. And I think, did I add? In some of them, I wonder if I added, well, this is like a little booklet that you can add, and then a secret pocket for you to add any other stuff that you collect from vacation or whatnot. Yes, I did make this into a pocket too, so that is a pocket. And that's, I left it open over here so you can stick anything underneath it if you like. Here's one that does have another pocket. And that's it for that book. And then this one here is a new book, which I did decide to leave it blank only because if you wanted to add one of the mattings that, you know, where's that paper? The 4x6 paper that I'm talking about. I mean, this wouldn't be a good idea, but this would be a good idea to put it there and then put a photo over there. Or if you just wanted to write whatever is on it or add photos, I kind of made it an option of whatever the person wanted to do. Here's a little booklet that that I have. I just love this paper. I thought this paper was really beautiful. So I did it like an accordion style and hooked it there. And then here's like another tag. Here's another page marker that I created too with the star, and it is double-sided. So even if you're looking in the front or if you flip it, it's still decorated. Here's kind of like a booklet tag that I created. I didn't put any ribbon on this. I kind of made it up to you what you wanted to do. Here's another one, little flip through. You can add photos. You can add what you did in your little journaling or whatnot. Over here you can add a title. So yeah, I kind of left it like that. Totally up to you. Okay, we're still in the same. Here's another one. This one does have a secret pocket and has this one. Oh my god, I did a lot more than I thought. Okay, so you've got like a little booklet here that's got some more tags and pockets, and yeah, there we go. And they're all pockets, and then I put that in here. Okay, then I also did like little, covered the ends over here also for the string not to fray. That's a cute page. I like that. There, a lot can be done with that one. Okay, more journaling space over here, and then more of the pocket. I'm gonna set this aside so in case I get another pocket. Okay, there you go. And that is the third book. And then the last book is this, which I thought was so sweet. Yeah, you can write whatever you want over here or add anything. This is a pocket here. That's a sweet page too. I like that. Oh, another accordion that I did here for that one. So you can add whatever you want over there. Write anything, record anything, put photos here. Oh, here's one that kind of pops out this way. I just like this bird and I like the spread here. I decided to have a little bit of fun with it. So that's what I did. And more, another pocket here. And yeah, it is detailed. And let me see, did I create? I think I did. Did I? Maybe I didn't. No, I did not create a secret pocket. Here's another waterfall over here. So yeah, you can add what you want here and another pocket. And there we go. Oh, no, it's not another pocket. Okay, I'm sorry. I thought I added another secret pocket, but I just decided to add more pages versus keeping it closed. Here's another pocket for that. And then here's a belly band where you can add whatever you want. Okay, and then on this one, this will be the last, the outside cover page. And did I make this into a pocket? No, I know I did this part as a pocket, so yeah. And I just love this bird. I mean, it does remind me of Alex. And here is the back side. Okay, so let me know what you think. I will have this up on my online store for anybody who's interested in purchasing this album. Thank you so much for watching, and you have a great day. Bye-bye.